Go to sleep, close your eyes, imagine lots of butterflies. Some are yellow, some are blue, some are green and purple too. Some are pink and some are white, the ocean flooded with pale moonlight. More are coming, flying by, softly flapping through the sky. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Such beautiful colours fluttering about.
Butterfly, a funny word. I've never seen butter fly like a bird. Where was I? Yes, butterflies. I think I shall rename them flutterbys.
Some are yellow, some are blue, some are orange and turquoise too. Some are pink and some are white. Watch them dancing in the night. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Softly, quietly fluttering about.
I'm yawning. How about you? Are you feeling sleepy too?
Time to rest. Close your eyes. Picture all the flutterbys. Some are yellow, some are blue, some are green and purple too. Some are pink and some are white. Dream of flutterbys tonight.